Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on NUBIA Pad 3D. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, you can always start from the simplest way, so just restart your Bluetooth connection, switch it off and switch it on again. Then you can also restart your tablet. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for your device. But it's still not for your tablet. Let's open settings. Then type in the search bar reset options. Open the first one and choose the reset options. Select the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and choose the reset settings button 2 times. After that, look again for your device in the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to upgrade the system, so go to the system in the settings and select system update. If you haven't enabled this, install it and check for your device again. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.